Alak-alak na eh. Kinakabahan ako. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa PMPC sa pagkilala niyo sa akin na Best Performer, Child Performer. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Sparkle Family and syempre po sa GMA family ko. At hindi ko po makakalimutan ng Diyos. At inaalan ko po itong trophy kung wala po ito, wala po ako ngayon. Inaalay ko po ito sa Firefly family ko po. Kung wala po sila, wala po ako. Maraming salamat po.
Talagang nakaka-amaze ang
Malyari, Ellison De Dios, In His Mother's Eyes, Sean Mark Gomez, Huling Palabas, Fino Herrera, Here Comes the Groove, Marcus Joseph Manuel, Unspoken Letters, Ninong Rao, Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Mukbang Episode, Charles Demones, Losers 1, Sucker 0, and Dustin Yu, Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode. And the star goes to Dustin Yu for Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme, Rage Episode.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is John Fontanilla.
Wow. Good evening, everyone. I never thought I'd be standing here in front of you guys. Gusto ko naman pasalamat sa PMPC for this award. This is actually my first time receiving this kind of award as a newbie actor. And ayun, maraming salamat po, PMPC. Also to Eagle Films, Ms. Rosel, for giving me the opportunity to be part of Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme. And to my virtual family, Sir Charlie, Sir Mark, Tito Dondon, and also to my GMA Sparkle family, of course. Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, thank you so much. And I promise na mas lalo ko pong gagalingan and
Ate, tama
more
na
awards
nakatayo
to
kayo
come.
dyan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me on this milestone night.
Yes, but it doesn't mean that iiwanan po tayo ni Alvin. We'll say hello love again sa kanya. Because syempre, we'll be around because we're really excited to know kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng Best Actor and Best Actress crown. And Alvin is one of the strong contenders of the evening. Sobra.
Hindi naman yung strong.
Dito yung buong family and fans mo. Can we hear a big roar coming from the fans of Alvin?
Thank you, boss.
Alright.
Pero
Good
yan,
luck, brother.
of course, malalaman natin yan. Sa pagbabalik na, the 40th Star Awards for movies. We'll be right back with more exciting awards. Thank you, boss.
each other resulting to a movie masterpiece. Here are the nominees for Indie Movie Ensemble Acting of the Year.
For Indie Movie Ensemble Acting of the Year, the cast of About Us, Not About Us, the cast of Ang Duyan ng Mag-ibig, the cast of Abag, the cast of In His Mother's Eyes, the cast of Litrato, the cast of Monday First Screening, and the cast of Pieta. And the star goes to the cast of Pieta.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Ronald Rafael.
Hello. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam, all for the greater glory of God. Para po sa PMPC, maraming salamat po sa pagkilala sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng cast ng isa po sa mga pinaka-paborito kong pelikulang ginawa ang Pieta. I'll be honest with you tonight. Sa totoo lang po, ako po ang pinaka-naka-jackpot dito sa pelikulang ito kasi nakasama ko walang iba kung hindi nag-iisang superstar Nora Honor, Gina Alvar, at syempre si Miss Jacqueline Jose, one of her last films na ginawa po niya. Kasama rin po si Miss Ina Raimundo, Bembon Rocco, Angelic Bayani, at marami pa pong iba. And napakadami ko pong natutunan, and in behalf of the cast of Pieta, maraming salamat po. And pasalamat din po kay Direk Adolf Alex at kay Jerry Gracio for assembling this remarkable cast. Kaya maraming salamat po, PMPC. To God be the glory. Thank you po.
Just hearing those names, no? All-star cast.
Yes.
Classic. But speaking of cast, here are the remarkable casting crew from some of the most notable films of 2023.
For Movie Ensemble Acting of the Year, the cast of Firefly, the cast of 5 Breakups and a Romance, the cast of Gumbuza, the cast of Keys to the Heart, the cast of Malyari, the cast of Rewind, and the cast of When I Met You in Tokyo. And the star goes to the cast of Malyari.
Presenting the award for the PMPC is Mildred Paco.
One of the most difficult but very exciting part of filming is to form and assemble the cast. And importante sa amin bilang pangkat ng mga artistang taga-suporta, ang pasalamatan siyempre ang mga pangkat ng mga pangunahing artista na bumubuo ng Malyari. Piolo Pascual, Janela Salvador, Mr. JC Santos, Ron Angeles, Binibining Gloria Diaz. Importante sa amin na maunawaan namin ang kwento at konteksto ng binubuo naming pelikula. Kaya naman dahil sa pelikula namin ay napaka-complex when it comes to storytelling, pero nagawang itawid ng mga mahuhusay na artista at ng aming direktor, Direk Eric Caprido. Maraming salamat din sa aming producer, Sir Brian. At mula sa aming lahat, nagpapasalamat kami sa PMPC sa parangal at pagkilala ito. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat.
More awards and more stars as the PMPC Star Awards for Movies returns.